Step onto the 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche LT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, cargo shade, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer and fog lamps. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.